Okay, so we are gonna be playing Will You Press the Button today. So we can eat anything without getting fat, but have diarrhea once a week. No, I love being fat. So oh my god, a lot of people press the button. Um, no, I bet you could have one person of your choosing being killed, but one random relevant of yours, anyone from a parent to a distant cousin would be killed. Alright, don't say I messed up, okay? You can get whatever you want when you want. You pay with your immortal, so yeah. Okay, this ad just I really hope I can edit this and blur it out, because that ad just ruined everything. Okay, what's next? You have a palace long enough to use a scarf, but you must use it to save young girls stuck in burning buildings. I'm not saving no girls. You have. I don't care about my feet. I'll just use slippers on my feet. I'll use robot legs. No. I don't want to have chicken. What the? Okay, you can cook as well as a five-star chef, but you lose your sense of taste. That's there's a lot of things that are healthy and I don't like, so this would actually be really good. Whoa. You can be the most beautiful human in the world, but you'll be hunted down furiously by a sadistic serial killer. Okay, that's messed up. You know everything, but you can't share information. Yeah. Oh, 50-50. Look at this. Wow. And a dictator of Earth and expand to the universe, but you must eat cereal to stay in power to become available to you. To everyone. Oh. Okay. Am I coming out of left field? Oh my god. These ads. Okay, we got 76. I thought everyone was gonna pick it. No. You have magical powers and a talking cat, but you have to stop evil whenever you see it. Yes. Free Subway sandwiches for life, but you can never. Isn't that junk food? That's stupid. Isn't Subway stuff junk food? You gain 2 powers: transformation into anything you want and teleportation. You can still move while transformed and teleport anywhere. But you can never become human again and feel the suffer a and you got to suffer a pain like you're burning every time you use either of these powers for the first 24 hours that you're in that new form. No. It's so much pain. You become the greatest person in your favorite sport, but we constantly. Oh, I don't care. I get criticized all the time. Malik. You can have all the magical powers in the world. It'll be a small, annoying noise in your head you can never get rid of. A toy. I could just get myself death. That's so smart. You can become skilled in all relevant traits, love your job, can only create fishing simulators, and a number of people in only the hundreds. Oh, no, no, no. No, no, no. You got the best computer ever. Alright, it's supposed to be best. Now let's see your. I don't care as long as I have the best computer. Whoa, no, oh, I could just skip it. Okay. Right here. Never be hungry, but never eat again. If you're not hungry, you don't have to eat. So, I like eating. I love eating. It's like a big part of my day. You're gonna become the god of aesthetics. Your heart explodes and it's all. I have 5 years now. I want forever. Cancer will be eradicated from the human race, but you'll be the last camera. Yes, save the world. You're giving the. No, because I don't have a love in my life. Oh. Oh my god. I don't care. We live in any universe. You have to eat a can of worms every year. Oh yeah. Only every year. Oh my god. No. You guys tried it. Oh no. No, no. I exited out the app. Don't look at any of my apps, okay? Okay? Oh yeah. The one-way trip and you must go alone. No. I wanna go with my friends. But not you, Malik. You can bring one loved one back from the dead, but you can never see them again. Yes. Link their life. Drugs are completely illegal. It's only because there's anarchy in the world. Yes. You become a millionaire, you are known for taking money from. I don't care as long as I'm a millionaire. You rule the world, you have to maintain a direct democracy. Yeah. Got him. Skip it. Alright. You're going to 3 wishes. The greatest of your wishes, you would be fisted daily by a blue-haired daddy. Yeah. Okay. Create cures for all diseases. Natural selection no longer works and everyone is now born sickly to live off meds. No, 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 no. Then, since the last one said drugs are illegal, no, 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 no. Because medicine is drugs. And if you don't agree with me, then no shout out for you. Become president, you can never sign a universal health care bill. And have to review such an existing law. Oh, no. Better be, you gotta do better. Be fair, right? I already looked at the butt and I say yes. Yes. Get one power you want, you can't. I can't even swim already. You cure worldwide cancer. You get uncurable terminal cancer. I cure world cancer, save the world, and not myself. You gain a free superpower of your choosing. In return, you are to give up one of your senses. You cannot use the power to regain the senses. You can play every musical instrument you want perfectly. You will not be able to play live. Okay. I guess. Oh no. Oh my god. I hate that. Alright. We hit the 10-minute mark, so I'm just gonna put this right here. Wait, alright, nope. Doesn't work. Alright, so we're good. I'm going to end this video right now. And yeah. I'm ending the video.